Clear the chute, we have another load coming in.
Watch your left, I'm moving this pallet.
Watch till the end to see how giant carp oil is fully extracted.
Ensure the temperature is maintained below freezing.
We're loading the last ones now, Inspector. They're ready for pickup.
Scanning this tag now.
Data coming in, wait for the green. Okay, logged.
Let's raise it to the third mark. Turning mine out. That looks high enough for the giant batch.
Check the alignment on the third blade.
Seems accurate. The spacing is within tolerance.
That looks better now. The cuts are cleaner. Yes, much less waste at this setting. That looks better now. The cuts are cleaner. Yes, much less waste at this setting.
Looks good, no fragments in this batch. All right, keep it running.
Reading stable at 450.
Confirmed on the panel. Curves are holding steady.
Density levels are holding steady right here. Good. I'll increase the throughput slightly on the next cycle.
The sensor reading is still high on the left side.
Okay, I'm making the adjustment now. It seems stable.
The pH is stabilizing at 7.
Excellent. We are within tolerance. Good work.
Warm airflow strips moisture from the washed carp oil. Droplets condense on glass panels.
Pressure drop is nominal.
Confirmed. Adjusting pump speed slightly.
The rich golden tone is achieved. It matches the reference card perfectly.
Noted. The optimization is complete.
Magnetic contaminant catcher. Powerful magnets ensure zero metallic residue passes through giant carp oil lines.
Check screen 3, the amplitude is rising.
I see it. Adjusting the blade speed now.
A tall vertical column strips last volatile compounds, leaving the giant orange carp oil lightly scented and clean.
The analysis confirms absence across all parameters.
Excellent. The giant carp oil is completely sterile.
Torque feel good on this one. Pressure holding steady.
The density is 0.925.
925 matches specification.
The flow rate is perfectly stable at 25 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. Entering the data now.
Look at that color saturation on the samples.
Yes, very pure. We are ready for the next phase of testing.
The color uniformity on this batch is perfect.
Yes, the saturation levels match the reference exactly.
The alignment is perfect. Yes, the flow rate is optimal. The omega-3 count here matches the GC results.
And the printed value aligns perfectly. We are cleared for validation.
We use precision scales to weigh every bottle of Giant Carp Oil, ensuring perfect fill volume accuracy.
On this carton, the weight is off.
Check the seals and verify the calibration on the scale.
The previous batch was fine.
for watching the full journey of giant carp oil extraction. Stay tuned for more factory processes.